I tried MyMonero wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I downloaded the MyMonero wallet app, I expected a simple privacy wallet. After all, Monero is famous for being one of the most secure and untraceable cryptocurrencies in the world. But after 7 days of using it, the shocking truth became clear. MyMonero might be one of the easiest ways to access real financial privacy, even if you're not a tech expert. The first thing that surprised me was how quick the setup was. Most privacy wallets require syncing the entire blockchain, which can take hours. But with MyMonero, you're ready to go in under a minute, because it connects through a remote node while still keeping your private keys on your device. That means your data stays private, but you don't need massive storage space. During the week, I tested it for sending and receiving Monero, and the experience was smoother than I expected. Transactions are nearly impossible to trace thanks to Monero's ring signatures and stealth addresses. Most people get this wrong. They think privacy coins are only for the dark web. But the truth is, tools like MyMonero simply give you the right to financial privacy, just like cash does in the real world. One thing I appreciated was its clean interface, simple enough for beginners yet powerful enough for serious users. However, the app doesn't support multiple cryptocurrencies, and that's a big limitation. It's strictly for Monero users. Also, transaction syncing can sometimes take longer compared to mainstream wallets. By day 7, I realized that MyMonero isn't about flashy features, it's about pure privacy done right. The shocking truth is that it's one of the most efficient privacy wallets for people who want to protect their financial footprint without giving up usability. If you value freedom and anonymity, MyMonero is worth every second of your attention.